Hello everyone. So I bought this 2004 Yamaha yz250 sight unseen. I want to get back into the two-stroke dirt bike. But since it's arrived, there's a lot of issues with it. Brake lever is bent. Throttle housing is gone. No brake pressure. Clutch lever is bent. And clutch cable is gone. Fork seals leaks. Brake pads fell out. Engine guard is missing. Radiator is bent. Missing radiator support bolts. This radiator is bent as well. Exhaust mounts is broken. Look like the gasket is going out. Doesn't even look like an OEM gasket in here. And look like somebody used a cat to open up the oil cap. Foot pegs are bent. The exhaust nose housed to dance. Missing fasteners on the body. The fenders look like they're about to come off. Carburetor leaks gas. Missing vent tube. The shifter dances as well. Front wheel bearing shot. Forks are broken. The fork tube will fall out as soon as you take the axle off. Missing brake guard. Missing a bead locker. Missing screw. Missing screw. Missing. 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 So I know I should have been there before the purchase was done. But it is what it is. This is what happened when you buy something online and you couldn't physically be there to check it out. But since we got it, I already put 2 tires on there. I might as well just rebuild it. Make it into a dream bike that I always wanted. So without further ado, let's break it down and see what else is broke. Very dry air filter. Never been oiled. All right, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any tips, ideas, let me know on the comment below. Thank you for watching, and if you like, please subscribe so I can continue this. See you guys soon on the rebuild. Thank you.